Greetings, my friends, and welcome to a new series on Hair Helpers 2.0 and how they can beautifully enhance our aging, thinner, and more fragile gray or white hair. But first, a little background. I started playing with hair helpers at around the age of 10 or 11. This was my spoolies stage. And the round donut was my first hair helper back in the 1950s, when this was a popular look, along with wearing the hair curlier at the back and crown of the head, as demonstrated by Lucille Ball's classic hairstyle. Like most of us, my hair was thicker in my youth, but as I moved into my 40s, I started working with a variety of extensions for performance purposes that were available at that time. And I also did a lot of styling in film and TV, along with bridal hairstyling of every description with my company. Further down the road, when I decided to embrace my gray hair, even though gray extensions were very hard to come by, I pushed through and found some, and used them extensively, more for style than for thickness. But as time marched on and my hair was slowly becoming thinner, I created a number of ways to help augment my diminishing volume. However, after several life-altering and traumatic events, I started losing my hair, and at a great rate. And my coveted extensions could no longer do what I needed them to, as my hair was simply too thin to accommodate them. So I considered wigs for a while, in case my hair didn't grow back as promised by my dermatologist. And wigs have come a long way since then. They're wonderful in their weight now, they're heat-friendly fibers, and styling. So I was prepared to go this route if needed. Fortunately, though, with taking charge of my healthcare and my doctors, some alterations in my medications and lifestyle management, my hair is growing back, but certainly not at the volume it was before, which wasn't exactly thick in the first place. And the texture is also quite different. After trying a number of options, I settled on shoulder-length hair, still long enough to wear it up, and kept experimenting with extensions again, and in the color white, as my gray had evolved to that color too. When I came back on the social media scene, my hair had grown in somewhat, but it was still like candy floss in texture, and springing roots sticking straight up, as I'd had 3 major surgeries within 18 months, which didn't help the cause. I share this story with you to underscore that not only do I bring my extensive skills to the table, I've also experienced my own hair loss and all that goes with it, especially the emotional and life-altering psychology also associated with it. So, as promised in this first video, this is a first in a new series about hair helpers. Today's video is about curly hair with the addition of just one single weft. These 2 pieces were originally one weft, but my stitch ripper took care of that, and now they are realistically lighter, suiting most women's needs in a realistic way. Here is my hair after about a year of regrowth. Still very frizzy, but over time, changing shampoos and conditioners and taking biotin, upping protein and collagen, it has calmed down. And here are examples of pin curl and roller curls. In essence, the tighter the curl, the smaller the roller or pin curl. And for straight or slightly curved hair, a large roller to the rescue. And for our short-haired beauties, Amazon sells these longer, softer curled scrunchies. Just take them apart and voila! Sew on a couple of toupee combs and you are good to go. And here are examples of me with a single weft to add light and realistic volume that nobody can notice, even me. And even a classic page boy made with larger rollers can be achieved. And for those of you stepping onto your gray hair freedom journey, gray extensions are an exceptional tool for camouflaging or showcasing your lovely locks as you travel to your destination. Thank you, ladies. I hope this video is both helpful and encouraging. The next video in this series will be about toppers. And in fact, I'm wearing one now. I also had 4 sincere compliments today about how fabulous my hair is looking. These people had honestly no idea I was donning a hair helper, which underscores exactly that the camouflage and extremely fast styling effect of toppers works. But more on toppers the next time. Thank you for joining me, and if you have a friend in need of this series, please share it with them. And if you found it helpful yourself, please give a thumbs up so other women can find it. And post any of your questions you may have in the comments below as I read them all. Thank you, ladies. As always, simple, smart, and oh so chic. Mwah! We'll see you next time.